Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to invite a friend on WhatsApp. Maybe you have a friend who is not yet on WhatsApp and you want to invite them to join the platform. So today I am going to show you how to invite a friend on WhatsApp. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open your WhatsApp application and log into your account. Once you are logged in, you will be taken to the main chat screen. On this page, tap on the three dots icon at the top right corner of the screen. From this menu, tap on Settings. In the Settings page, you will find various options. Now, to invite a friend to the application, simply tap on this Invite Friend option. Here, you can tap on the Share link and send an invitation via other messaging or social media apps. You can also just choose from this contact list, and WhatsApp will generate a message that you can send to your friend. It will contain a link inviting them to join WhatsApp. Simply tap on the send button to send the invitation message to your friend. After that, they will receive the message and the invitation to join you on WhatsApp. There you go. If you wanted to know how to invite a friend on WhatsApp, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to invite a friend on WhatsApp, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.